Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you one more holiday party recipe, this time with shrimp. Are you ready? Let's go. We have to make a masala paste for this recipe and you can make this a day ahead and refrigerate if you like. This is a versatile masala and can be used for a variety of veg and non-veg dishes. Just a little water to make a smooth paste. Keep this aside. Now for the dry masala mixture. Red chili powder as per how spicy you like. You can make this ahead and keep it ready for use. Here I have some fresh jumbo shrimp, cleaned, washed and patted dry. We will apply the dry masala mixture to the shrimp first so it gets coated well with the seasonings. Now for the green masala paste we made earlier. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Lemon juice will elevate all the flavors. Mix well and we will leave it aside for 15 minutes to marinate. Here I have some cocktail wooden skewers. We will thread 2 to 3 shrimp on each skewer. This is a very yummy dish and your family and guests will love these a lot. Thread all of them similarly and keep them ready. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for such yummy recipes I post every week. These are ready. Now here I have some plain breadcrumbs and now we will coat them on both sides with the breadcrumbs evenly. Make sure they are coated well. I have kept some oil to heat up on a thick bottom griddle and we will place the skewers and allow them to cook to golden. It takes somewhere around 5 to 6 minutes for each of them to cook. Turn on to the other side and allow them to cook completely. Wow, these look amazing and super tasty. Make these for your family and friends for this holiday. Hope you like this recipe and thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.